Welcome. This is the front door. So you see, when you first come in, I have this lovely painting that I did here at a paint and sip one last year for my birthday. When you first walk in, you can pretty much see everything. I leave my shoes here. Those are the ones that I'm pretty much wearing every day. Here in this little cubby here, I keep my work purse, which I haven't really been using much of anymore since I'm working from home. I keep all of my other purses and some books. Here to the right when you first walk in is the bathroom and also my closet. So there's the sink with storage underneath. Have a mirror, medicine cabinet. Sorry, I didn't really clean my mirrors since I'm moving out. I haven't really been cleaning much since I have to do one big clean when I move out. So I have these two storage cabinets that really came in handy. I keep my linens and towels in there. On this bottom shelf is where I have like all of my makeup, nail stuff, all my beauty supply things really. And then when I come down to this drawer, it's where I start doing my clothes and jewelry and shoes down on the bottom. Here is a toilet area, which isn't so glamorous. I have this little thing which I really like. I just keep my female products here, baby wipes because I love them, and then like smell good stuff. I bought this for my tissue. I found it to be really helpful, so I'll just put like my tissue and stuff in there. I have facial tissue in there just because, you know, it's quarantine time right now, and I was like, hey, might as well get what I can get. I keep my laundry up on the top shelf. It's overflowing right there. This is my bath towel. Swing around. I have one of those stand-up showers, which I'm not too much of a fan of, but it got me through. The shower curtain, it's one of those fabric ones, and I washed it, but I didn't dry it, so it's wrinkled right now, but the wrinkles will come loose with the steam from my shower. See, just regular stand-up shower. And down here, I have one of those portable washing machines that I use just because I don't like to use the community laundry. So that can pretty much fit and clean everything except for my big comforter. There's a mirror here on the closet. One of the main things I don't like about this apartment is the closet is in the bathroom. So I don't know, like I haven't had an issue with my clothes smelling yet, but ever. I've been here for 4 years. I just always thought they might, so I try and keep this ventilated as much as possible. Here there's a mirror that I can look at when I get ready. I put like this sticker on this side. On the back I have one of those, it's the shoe holders, but I put all my beauty stuff in there. And then there's some shoes at the bottom. The closet's really messy. All of my clothes, my robe, clothes. At the bottom here is the dryer. I just pull that out into like the living space when it's time to dry. You can see there's like stuff all the way up there, and then my clothes. Here these were out. I just stuffed them in here just to make for a better video. But I keep my bras and my underwear in here. And then this is the dresser that I purchased. I have to put it inside of the closet. I just like to have all my clothes in the same space. And I didn't quite measure it when I purchased it. If you can see that the drawers don't open all the way, so that might be my suggestion. If you do decide to put your dresser in the closet, just measure it and make sure it'll fit through the doors. Alright. Coming out, back out into the hallway. This chair here was the regular chair that I had. But then you can see that one, the gray one there. That's actually the chair that I have in my office, but I brought it here just because it's more comfortable since I'm working from home now and it's just more comfortable. Here in the kitchen area, I just have this basket here that I used to throw my important mail in. There's a better view of the kitchen. Refrigerator, microwave, stove. Keep my coffee maker out because I drink coffee every day. Just wash the dishes. Look at all this. I mean, it's an okay amount of cabinet space for a studio apartment. It's where I keep my dishes on the first row. Toaster oven, I just pull it out and place it here when I need to use it. Then there's just those up there, which I'm not going to open because it's kind of messy. Those are the dishes that I don't really use that much. And then here on this side, I have some like alcoholic drink glasses. And then my juicers at the bottom, water, spice rack. And as you can see, it's my 30th year. I turned 30 last June, so I just kept that out. And I'm like, I'm going to keep it out all year while I'm 30. That's actually also why I'm moving, because I didn't want to be in a studio apartment after I turned 30. Yet I'm still here, so now I'm like, well, I'm not going to be in a studio past 31. And then so I have about a month and a half for that goal. There's the couch. This is like a bar ledge. So if you wanted to, I probably could have placed some bar stools under there and put the couch this way, but I just like the couch that way because I wanted this space here. Just a regular side coffee table that I got from Walmart. This right here, it's one of those blue like storage tote bins. It was actually in the closet where my dryer was. So, okay. Wait, well, I forgot what happened. Okay, so before I got the dryer, I had the red chair here where the gray chair is. I got the dryer, put the red chair here in the corner, and the dryer was under my desk because I didn't really sit there that often. But once I had to sit there for work, I had to put the dryer in the closet, and now, yeah, that's what happened. I completely forgot. So I have a TV. This is my desk setup. I have the books there, just that I had to prop my screens up on the books so I wouldn't be looking down too much, because that's really bad for your neck and your posture when you're looking down. So I propped them up to eye level. Let's see, and then I have my bed here. On that side is one of those little three-tier, three-drawer cabinets. A lamp on top. Let's see, what else? There's a balcony out there, but there's a tree over it, so there's a bunch of just like leaves and lemons on it that I need to clean up before I leave. Let me see. I got the bed from Amazon.com. It's really cute. It's like leather. And then I got the couch from Living Spaces. The mattress from Ashley's Furniture, which I hate. And they have a no return policy, so I would actually never advise anyone to buy a mattress from Ashley's. And I mean, my brother gave me that TV like 10 years ago. I got the desk from Goodwill like 6 or 7 years ago. And then I think that's pretty much everything. That sums it up. Let me know if you have any questions down in the description box, and I'll be happy to answer anything else for you. Cool.